How to transfer money from Wise to Bank of America. So first you need to go to Wise. It can be an app or a website. So in this case, I will use the mobile app. So once you enter, the interface will show you and you just have to choose between send, add money, or request. In this case, you will send a money, so you have to choose or click this button right here, send. And then after that, you will have to edit the currency you want to send the recipient. So for in this case, you have to edit this to US dollar. And if you want the recipient gets a US dollar also, you don't have to change that. But if you do, just click that to edit this one. So next is you have to enter the amount that you want to send your recipient. So next, another options will appear and you have to edit that if you want to see the options available. So in this one, in this interface, you will see the choices on how would you like to pay. So first is option is connected to bank account, a debit card, a wire transfer, international wire, and lastly the credit card. So in this case, I will use the ACH. So on the bottom option, you will see the schedule of when will the money be wired to the recipient. So for example, this one is April 15th by Tuesday. The money will be wired on that date. And next is the total fees that you have to pay. After that, you have to click the add recipient. So once you're there, you have to enter the bank details for you to completely send or successfully send the US dollar that you want to transfer. So for example, this one, enter the bank details, and then you will have to choose between who will be your recipient. So for example, myself, someone else's, or you can choose the business or charity, but in this case, I will use myself. So you just have to fill these forms and you have to confirm. So you have to enter your full name of the account holder, the routing number, the account number, and its account type. Where do you want to send the money? So after that, after you fill on this one, you can click the confirm. So that's how you transfer the money from Wise to Bank of America. If you have any questions, leave us a comment down below. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.